Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You can instantly elevate your eFootball mobile gameplay on your iPhone right now. Imagine having the precision and tactile feedback of a console controller, all in the palm of your hand. This simple setup will give you a significant edge, making passes sharper and shots more accurate. Get ready to transform your mobile gaming experience, enjoying every match with enhanced control and immersion. It's surprisingly straightforward to set up, letting you focus on winning. Good news for all eFootball enthusiasts. Your PlayStation 4 DualShock 4 controller is completely compatible with modern iPhones. As of 2025, you'll need at least iOS 14 installed on your device for the best performance. This ensures seamless integration, providing a stable and responsive connection for all your gaming sessions. Don't worry about lag or dropped inputs. The system is designed for a smooth, uninterrupted experience. Connecting your PlayStation 4 controller to your iPhone is incredibly simple and takes just moments. First, grab your controller and simultaneously hold down the Share button and the PlayStation button until the light bar starts flashing rapidly. This puts it into pairing mode. Next, open your iPhone settings, navigate to Bluetooth, and select your DualShock 4 from the list of available devices. It will connect almost instantly, ready for gameplay. Once connected, it's time to fine-tune your settings within eFootball Mobile itself for the best experience. Launch the game, head into the Game Settings menu, and then find the Controller Setup option. Here, you can adjust various parameters, including button mapping and sensitivity. Feel free to experiment with different configurations to find what feels most comfortable and gives you the ultimate control on the pitch. Now that everything is set up, you're ready to experience eFootball Mobile like never before. You'll instantly feel the difference, with fluid, console-like control directly in your hands. I recommend jumping into a training match first to get accustomed to the enhanced precision and button layout. This simple upgrade will make your gameplay much more enjoyable and significantly more competitive, helping you dominate the league.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.